They called me Genghis Khan, the storm from the east. This is my story. Then called me Temüjin. This is the legend of how I conquered the world. Wind sweeps across endless grass plains. The winds of Mongolia carry whispers of a name that once shook the world. A name spoken with fear and awe. Genghis Khan. Temüjin, born of nothing, fueled by vengeance and will. 9. Temüjin's father poisoned by rivals. Boy survived, hunted, fought, and endured the wild. Temüjin, a child, new steps truth, life or death. A man's destiny is not written by birth, but by his strength. Temüjin united tribes, with vision, not mercy, loyalty, reward, or utter ruin awaited. Steppe united, Khan of all. War drums, ground shakes, the storm arrives. Genghis Khan forged the most feared army in human history. His horsemen moved faster than any army on earth. They struck like lightning, appearing from nowhere, disappearing before dawn. Speed, deceit, empires crumbled, China to Europe. Khan's empire spanned vast lands, Pacific to Black Sea. Khan, not just destroyer, but builder too. Yasa's iron fist ruled all. Torture ceased, merit thrived, faith bloomed. Silk Road boomed anew, safe passage for traders. He connected a world that had never been united before. Khan, old, led from front, stars above. China campaign ended. Secretly, he died. Silent warriors bore him home, grave hidden by hooves, so that no man would ever find the Khan again. He was both creator, destroyer, sunset over plains. Khan, world changer, tyrant, unifier. His impact echoes. Mongolian winds whisper Temüjin, Khan of Khans. He connected a world that had never been united before.